So y'all, on this one, this is a frosted pine swag. I'm going to part the waters down the center. Y'all, then I'm gonna take this Magnolia swag it's very thin. Like, I would never sell this to a customer by itself, right? It wouldn't be a DecoExchange branded item, right? But we can give it a little bit of junk in its trunk, get it fixed up to represent our brand better, right? So y'all, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this main string right down here, and I'm gonna zip tie it to the main one right down the middle. Now you can see all I'm doing is zip tying that together, right? Now look, whenever we go to cut these off, we're gonna make sure that we rotate these off to the side, because whenever you cut a zip tie, you get a sharp edge. Y'all, and we don't want a sharp edge scratching someone's door. Let's get this a little fluffed out. And remember, we always want to fluff things up towards you, right? Now look how pretty that instantly made this piece. Y'all, this has a lot of glitter on it. Well, it's not the glitter, it's the fake, well, I guess it is glitter. It's just clear, like the fake snow. Y'all, and on this one, I'm going for the monochromatic look. It's just all of this green glittered look. Y'all, let's get one long tail just in case we need. All right, let's go with a nice 6-inch loop. This ribbon is RGB 115233. All right, let's get our bow pulled nice and tight. Look how pretty this is. Y'all, just so everyone's clear, monochromatic projects sell extremely well online. Shades of blue, shades of gray, and shades of black and white, and shades of green. So don't pass by your chances on monochromatic.